This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal money to your bank account. First, securely log into your PayPal account, either on your computer or through the mobile application. Once inside, navigate to your dashboard and look for the Transfer Money option. You will typically find this near your balance information. Make sure your desired bank account is already linked and confirmed for a smooth transaction. Next, you will choose your transfer method. You have two main options: instant transfer for quick access or standard transfer, which takes a few business days. Be aware that instant transfers usually involve a small fee, commonly 1.75% of the total amount you're sending. Carefully enter the precise amount you want to move from your PayPal balance to your chosen bank account. Before finalizing, a crucial step is to carefully review all the transfer details displayed on your screen. This includes the exact amount you are sending, the specific bank account it's going to, and the estimated arrival time. Always double-check that your bank account number and routing number are absolutely correct. Once you are confident everything is accurate, confirm the transaction to officially send your money. After confirming, you can monitor the transfer status within your PayPal activity log. For a standard transfer, expect the funds to appear in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's processing times. If you chose an instant transfer, it should arrive within 30 minutes. Should any problems occur, promptly contact PayPal customer support with your unique transaction identification number for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.